Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Maverick DEX, which is really easy to use, just like most decentralized exchanges. They're practically the same. Okay, so this is the interface and the website, and then here you can see Connect Wallet and network selection. So this DEX currently supports zk Sync Era, BNB chain, Base, and Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so we're just going to be doing a quick swap. Feel free to explore the other tabs on this page, like tools and all of that, but I'm more interested in just running swaps here. Um, but first of all, if you don't have, so I have a two wallet here, Aurochs wallet and then MetaMask, which we do the same thing, but they're just two different wallets. Okay, Aurochs is much better for security, and then I'll be running you through on how to use both of them. So first, if you don't have the network, let me use MetaMask so it's easy to see. Uh, okay, so if you don't have, I'm currently in MetaMask now, and uh, the network selection tab. If you don't have um, the zk Sync uh, era uh, custom RPC set up here, you can add, okay, networks, all of that. But obviously, on MetaMask, it gives you some networks here, but you can see there's no zk Sync, okay, because we want to run this transaction in zk Sync mainnet. So what you're going to do is I'm going to close, okay, just here. You go to chainlist.org. When you go to chainlist.org, this is a website that shows you the custom networks links, okay, that you can just connect your wallet and add directly. So I'm going to search right here for ZK. So you can see I want this one, ZK Sync Era Midnight. Okay, so I'm going to click on wallet, and then this interface is going to open. So obviously you can see the Oryx wallet, and then down here is MetaMask. Oryx wallet made it this way, so be able to hijack the MetaMask code or something to be able to make this network selections. But if you have just MetaMask, fine. If you would like to explore the Oryx wallet, you can look it up on YouTube. So I'm going to select and then so you can see the list here. Network name, zk Sync mainnet, and everything here. And then I just going to click approve. So when I click approve, it's going to ask me if I want to switch. Yeah, I want to switch the network. So I'm currently, if I open my MetaMask now, uh, you can see I'm currently switched to, you can see I have a zk Sync error minute now. Okay. Yeah, so that's how you add networks to your wallet. Or on the DEX, some of the DEX ones, you just click on Connect Wallet, and if it's detect that you don't have the right network, it will ask you to, if you would like to add the custom RPC, and you can just do it directly from there. But Chainlist is just the way to find anything. There are about hundreds of them. Okay, testnet and mainnet, they're about. Okay, so now that we added uh, it to MetaMask, what's next to do is just to connect wallets. But I'm going to run the transaction first with the Oryx wallet, okay? And then we're going to run another transaction back with the MetaMask, just to show you how to use the both. So when you click on connect wallet, you're going to see this MetaMask, yeah? Just click on it and then, okay, it's connected automatically to MetaMask. Okay, that's fine. So let's start from there then. So I just want to run a quick swap. What I need to do is now that I'm connected and to the right network, okay, make sure it's the kissing error, and then I want to swap between. See, I have some USD here, and yeah, I want to swap it to the Maverick token. So which is already selected there, but just to okay, and then just a quick swap of let's say $10. Okay, okay, so swap USDT to Maverick. I'm gonna select yeah, yeah, and approve USDT. Okay, so first USDT. All right, yeah, good, and then I can confirm the swap. Okay, so here we go, submit, and done. So very fast, zk sync error, and then you can see I have my Maverick tokens here, and I have some USDT left. And obviously, you need some Ethereum for the gas fees, which are really cheap on these layer 2 networks. So that's how you do it basically. And then if I go to MetaMask and to try to find my token, you can see that I can only see Ethereum. I can see my, okay, sorry. I can only see Ethereum. I click on tokens. I can only see Ethereum. I can see my USDT and my Maverick token. So how do you do that? You just say import tokens, okay? But before you do that, you CoinGecko and just search for the token. Like Maverick is here, so just use the search and Mav like this. Okay, good. And then you get the contract. So click here. You can see it's on BNB Smart Chain and then ZK Sync. So one ZK Sync. So I'm just gonna copy this and then go back to MetaMask. Okay, so this is how you import your token. So you import tokens and just put the contract address here. So it's gonna populate CMAF token. Add custom. You can see now I have it and import tokens, and there you go. And now I have my Maverick. So the same thing for USDC, SDC. Okay, so come here and find the ZK Sync error amendment. Okay, we have it here, ZK Sync. Copy the contract and import tokens, submit, and that's it. So now I can see. Okay, so this is how you import custom tokens. The same way you do that on the Aurochs wallet, but I'm going to show you how to do that by swapping back all these Maverick tokens by to USDT. So I'm going to disconnect this, and I'm going to close this. I'm going to close MetaMask, unlock it. Good. When I go to connect wallet again, select. It should give me a prompt. Mind still connecting to MetaMask while it's locked. Just gonna refresh it. Refresh the page. Let's try that again. Uh, okay, because my okay, it's connected to Aurochs already. I'll just disconnect that. Okay, good. This is what I wanted. Close, refresh. It's obviously connected, but I want to show you how to, like how it prompt up in the first during the. Okay, there you go. So we'll have it this way. So now this time I'm going to select Aurochs wallet. Okay, it's the same wallet, imported to both. I mean the same wallet address accounts imported to both wallets. Okay, Gonna select, it's going to show me I'm connected to MetaMask, but MetaMask is locked. I'm using this Aurochs wallet at the moment, so I'm going to select my USDC. So it's not showing me the balance. Something around here. Ah, okay, because I switch this back to zk. So it makes sense, yeah. Okay, yeah, so there we go. USDC, and now I want to swap Maverick to USDC. Okay, so I have my 42 Maverick here. I click on maximum. Okay, and swap Maverick to USDC. So I'm going to confirm the swap. Open up Oryx wallet. So easy. And now I'm going to see the informations here and the gas fee and just go to confirm. And that's it, done. So if I go to the Oryx wallet, you can see that I have, I'm going to scroll down. To import your Maverick token here, you see that the same thing. So this is sorted by chains here. So I'm currently on the zkSync mainnet. Yeah, so I can see I have my Ethereum here and I have a USDC here. Thereabout. So, but to import, example, I want to import any contract here. I just do the same. Go there. So if I want to import Maverick, I've already done that, but just to do it again, please copy the CK sync. We'll go back to the wallet, and then I just click here on this three dotted tab here. And then what's next? I'm gonna click here, import contracts, and select and ZK sync. Yeah, put the contract here. You can see there you go. And import tokens. Okay, so that's it. I've already done it before. But since I don't have a balance, so it's not populating at the moment. So it's going to be under verified, the verified tab. Most of these unverified are just scam stuff. So this is why this Orox wallet is very good. Yeah. So we can, just to show you, we can do a quick transaction. Yeah. See, 5.21 Mav swap. Swap done. Go back to X. You can see that I have my Maverick tokens here. See that? So if I go to, you can see now it's now checked thereabout. So I'm gonna do the same, but opposite way. So this is how you do swaps using Maverick and most of the decentralized exchanges out there. Yep. Yeah, that's it and done. So that's how you do it. So disconnect wallets, and you can also disconnect right from here by clicking at this global icon, boom, and it's gone. So if I have to connect again, I have to go, connect manually. So that's how you do it. How to use the Maverick DEX to make swaps, how to add a custom RPC from chainlist.org, and how to import contracts, import tokens to your wallet.